Come on, you can do it. Come on. Quit trying to chew on the baby. Come on. You can do it. Come on. You're so hungry.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. You can take another one. Come on. No going back now. She'll be running next.
Come on, Lily.
Why is it still crawling? Looks like a catcher then.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
I think
Lily,
she wants her poopy butt changed so it's not squishing between her butt cheeks when she's trying to walk.
That's going to be nice listening to 15 years from now.
15 years. I was gonna
Well, she's
post
gonna
it on YouTube tonight.
That's kind of why I said.